is the WASHWOW electric bubble ball. To use, simply touch the bottom, watch the green light turn on, and you're ready to go. Its efficient disinfection and sterilization helps prevent diseases as well as effectively relieving athlete's foot. A USB-C cord is included with your bubble ball in order to charge. Under the flap, that's where you will find your port. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go needs. It's so easy. Add it to your bath for the ultimate spa experience and come out feeling cleaner than ever. The bubble ball is both safe and environmentally friendly, helping to preserve the world we live in.